It's October, but I'm making sure I enjoy all the last of my beautiful dahlias before the frost hits. I have all these plants that are annuals, but I want to save them for next year. And cleaning up the garden. But I'm taking my sweet time. We're making sure that we're getting rid of all the diseased plants. Thankfully, Salt Lake City has this awesome green waste program where they will bring a green waste dumpster to your house for a very economical price, and they will compost for you, and they do it in such a way that it can kill all the pathogens, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm taking out all the diseased plants I can and making sure that I'm getting ready for when I'm going to dump all my leaves into my garden and make sure it's beautiful and ready for next year. And along with that, I'm making sure I'm getting all the last of my harvest. We still have green beans we're harvesting, grapes, got to get all my winter squash in, and all those delicious green tomatoes. So it's time to pull all the winter squash out of the garden. We're going to cure it, and then I'm going to put it into storage so that I can have it all throughout the winter. So there's a lot to do in October. Even though the garden is not as beautiful as it once was in August, there's still lots to enjoy and a lot of beauty to be taken in. Thanks so much again for watching Modern Gardener, and make sure you subscribe.